This simple guide will show you how to view your credit card number on the Capital One app. Whether you've misplaced your physical card or need your card details for an online purchase, the Capital One app makes it easy to access your credit card information right from your mobile device. Let's dive into the process. To begin, you'll want to make sure you have the Capital One app installed on your smartphone. If you haven't already downloaded it, you can find it in the App Store or Google Play Store. Once that's set up, go ahead and open the app. The first step is to log into your Capital One account. Enter your login credentials and sign in. Having your login details handy will make this process smoother. If you use Face ID or a fingerprint to log in, simply follow the on-screen prompts. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. This is where all your accounts are displayed. From here, select the credit card for which you want to view the number. It's usually listed among your accounts, so go ahead and tap on it. Next, you'll want to look for the option that says Virtual Card or Card Details. This section is where all the magic happens. Tap on it, and you'll be prompted to verify your identity. This is an important security step to ensure that only you have access to your card information. Verification can be done using your password, Face ID, or fingerprint depending on what's enabled on your device. Choose the method that's most convenient for you. This additional layer of security is crucial in keeping your financial information safe. Once you've successfully verified your identity, you'll see your full card details displayed on your screen. This includes your card number, expiration date, and CVV code. Rest assured, these details are shown securely and are only visible to you. And there you have it. That's all it takes to view your credit card number on the Capital One app. Whether you're making an online purchase or need the information for another reason, having this capability at your fingertips is incredibly convenient. Remember to always keep your login information and device secure to protect your financial data. Thanks for tuning in, and we hope this guide has been helpful. Be sure to check out other tutorials for more tips and tricks on managing your finances with ease.